Chevrolet is secretly building something huge, and almost nobody is talking about it. A mysterious electric SUV, hidden under the codename Project Glacier, is rumored to replace one of Chevy's most popular family vehicles, the Traverse. And if these early leaks are true, this thing could shake the entire American SUV market. So what exactly is Chevy hiding? Project Glacier. The name alone sounds cold, powerful, and unstoppable. And according to insiders, this might be Chevrolet's next big leap onto GM's Ultium EV platform, the same foundation behind their future electric trucks and SUVs. The Traverse has been a family favorite for years, but the world is changing fast. Tesla is winning with the Model X. Rivian continues to dominate the adventure EV space, and Kia has shocked everyone with the EV9. Chevrolet needs a new three-row electric SUV, something bold, something modern, something worthy of carrying them into the next decade. And that's where Project Glacier comes in. But what does it look like? What can it do? And why is Chevy so silent about it? Imagine a Chevrolet SUV that looks like it came straight from the year 2030. Sharp edges, clean futuristic panels, a Glacier-inspired LED lighting signature that wraps around the front like a frozen beam of light. The proportions? Sleek, bold, aerodynamic, not bulky like the old gas SUVs. Think of a long panoramic roof stretching almost from hood to tailgate, giving every row a skyview experience. Inside, predictions point to a spacious three-row layout, but redesigned for EV architecture. A flat floor, massive room in every row, and a dashboard that blends digital screens with Chevy's new minimal design language. It's classy, modern, and built for families who want tech, comfort, and future styling all in one package. But design is just the beginning, because under the hood, or well, under the floor, Project Glacier is expected to run on GM's Ultium dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. Predicted range? Somewhere between 330 and 450 miles depending on trim. That instantly puts it in the same conversation as Rivian and Tesla. 0 to 60? Reports suggest the mid-4-second range. Imagine moving a full-size three-row family SUV with the power of a performance car. And for American families, towing matters. Rumors point to real towing muscle, something you can use for boats, campers, and weekend trips. This isn't just an EV for smooth roads. Chevy wants it to work. Now let's talk tech, because this is where Project Glacier gets wild. Super Cruise? Almost guaranteed. Chevy's latest hands-free driver assist system could make long road trips smoother than ever. Inside, expect a massive 17-inch infotainment display, a digital cockpit stretching across the dash, and hidden ambient lighting inspired by ice and blue crystal tones. And the battery tech? GM's Ultium cooling system allows fast charging without overheating, perfect for cross-country drives. Some insiders even whisper about hands-free towing down the line. Imagine reversing a trailer with AI doing half the work. If Chevy pulls that off, it will be a game changer. So why does Project Glacier matter this much? Because the big three, Ford, GM, and Stellantis, are in the biggest EV race of our lifetime. Ford has the Lightning. Jeep is preparing electric off-roaders. And Chevrolet needs a flagship EV SUV to prove they still own the American family market. Families are shifting. People want cleaner vehicles, lower running costs, future-ready tech, but without losing space, towing, or power. Project Glacier could be the moment Chevrolet rises back to the top. A bold SUV for drivers who want something American-made, capable, and fully electric. Now here's where things get really interesting. Early predictions point to a starting price around $49,000, which would undercut many rivals. Higher trims with dual motors, long-range batteries, and luxury features may climb past $65,000. But when will we actually see this thing? Rumors suggest testing has already begun under camouflage. Some believe Chevy could reveal it as early as late 2026, with sales starting in 2027. And the silence from Chevrolet? That might be the biggest clue of all. When automakers go quiet, it usually means something big is cooking. So here's the real question. If Chevrolet truly brings Project Glacier to life, with long range, big power, futuristic design, and a family-ready interior. Could it become the electric SUV Americans choose over Tesla, Rivian, and Kia? We might be witnessing the birth of Chevy's next legend, quietly being shaped behind locked doors. What do you think? Is Project Glacier the future of Chevrolet, or just the beginning of something even bigger? If you love discovering hidden car projects, secret prototypes, and future EV breakthroughs, make sure you subscribe, because this is only the beginning.